Hi everybody, good afternoon. I was just thinking, let me make some nice snack which we can have with tea. Sometimes you just wonder कि क्या खाएं जो healthy भी हो और suits everybody, people, weight watchers as well as for diabetics and tasty भी हो. Nachni is a very good millet, so I thought let me make something with nachni. So I'm taking 1 big cup of nachni आटा, then I'm taking plain flour, that is गेहूं का आटा, that is a small cup, then half a cup of rice flour, and to these flours I'm going to add methi, kasuri methi, that is dry methi leaves, then I will add chaat masala, salt, then saunt, then haldi and jeera powder and dhania powder, and make it little tasty. Now I will knead this with the water. I will slowly add the water so that I make nice tight atta. And I am going to add 2 tablespoons of oil also to this. So let us begin with the method. Let us mix up everything nicely. Mix it all up so that the salt and the spices and all the flours, they mix up properly. Then add 2 tablespoons of oil to this. I have added 2 tablespoons of oil, and see, I am binding it with the oil first. See, it's binding nicely. Now slowly add water and make a nice dough. It's not very tight, not loose. It's firm. Now cover it and keep it for 10-15 minutes. Take a kadahi and add oil to it and put it to heat. Now roll out 1 big fat roti to make the sticks. I have rolled out a roti. It is this thick. Now I will cut it into strips. First cut out the sides all 4 so that it becomes even, and then sprinkle some sesame seeds and press it with a rolling pin. Now roll them up with the rolling pin so that they get into the dough. Now first cut lengthwise. I have cut strips lengthwise. Now I will cut them like this, slanting. We have cut it evenly. Now check with the oil whether it is heated up or not. I have to use any cooking oil that I use in the house to cook. Yes, it is done. So now we can make our nachni sticks. Keep the flame low to medium so that they don't burn, and keep on turning them. While these are getting ready, let us make one more roti and cut it into strips. One lot is done. It is the color of these nachni. This millet is so dark and brown and blackish that kids don't want to eat, but it is a very healthy food. You must give them in some form or the other. On removing them on a piece of cloth or tissue or paper, because when they become cold, they will get crispy. One lot I have removed long sticks. So very tasty, crispy nachni sticks are ready to have with tea or as it is as a snack. They are very yummy, very healthy, full of proteins and iron. Do make your children eat nachni in some way or the other. You can even make cookies, biscuits, many other things, bread. Today we have made this snack, nachni sticks for tea. You can have it with a cup of tea and have a good evening sham ki chai. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and share my video. Let me know how it is, how the taste is. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day and enjoy yourself. Take care, stay safe, do wear a mask and keep social distancing. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. I'll give you a close-up. See, this is how it looks. You can give it different shapes. You can make it into sticks. You can give squares. You can make triangles. It is up to you what type of shape you want. See how crispy they are. As they get cold, they become crispy. See. एकदम खस्ता. Them cool and then you store it in a bottle and you can use it for at least 2 weeks.